Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 100, Surah Baqarah, ayah number 100. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أَوَكُلَّمَا عَاهَدُوا عَهْدًا نَبَذَهُ فَرِيقٌ مِّنْهُم بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. A, A is a very strong letter, and it is pronounced from your halq, and huruf halaqi, the throat letters are 6, and I can draw it for you. This is a throat letter, and make sure the throat letters should come out of throat, not your mouth. And the throat has three parts: the upper throat, and from upper throat, the letters which are pronounced are ghain and kha. This is upper throat, and then middle throat, that is ain and ha, ain, ha, ha, and the lower throat, hamza and ha. These are the six letters which are pronounced from your throat. So hamza, look, this one, and this is the same, hamza. So hamza should be pronounced from your throat. It's a. It's not a, not from your mouth. It has to be pronounced from your throat. A, awa. The sound is very sharp, and it goes straight into your ear. Very strong sound, and it teases little, but yeah, it is, and it teases your throat when you pronounce it. When you pronounce it from your the proper way, it has some effect on your throat because it is being pronounced from your throat. Wa. The sound is very sharp. Wa. And for wow, you circle your lips. Don't use your teeth to pronounce wow. Wa. Kul. Kaf, for dhamma, circle your lips well. You circle the lips for dhamma as you can see. If you have circled your teeth and you want to see your lips, sorry, if you want to see your lips from your eyes, you can see your circled lips. Can you do you understand? When you have circled for ku, circle your lips well, and if you want to if you lower your gaze, you can see your lips being circled. The lips should come out. The lips should be so much rounded that if you want to see from with your eyes, you will be able to see your lips. These will be that much circled. Kul. And for lam, give little tawassut, and for fatha, la, and for fatha, for every fatha you are opening your jaws. Kulla ma, 2 counts long. We have 3 huruf madda. Alif, qablaha maftuh. Alif, before that you find fatha. Wow, before that you find dhamma, pesh. And ya, you find ya sakina qablaha maksur. If you find kasra before ya, you make all these 3 letters 2 counts long. Look, can you find this here? This is the same thing. Alif, before that you find fatha. So this is one of the harf mad. So you will make it 2 counts long. Kulla ma, 2 counts long. This is the same thing. This alif is like small alif. This standing fatha is like small alif, and you count it as alif, and you will make it 2 haraka long too, because this is alif, and before alif you find fatha. Look, the same thing here. So you will make it 2 haraka long. Ha is short. Ha is one haraka long. You will not make it long as this is long. So, long and short, learning long vowels and short vowels is half of your tajweed. Yeah, I'm telling you. It's ha short, do. Why do is long? Give me answer. So you find wow sakina and before wow you find dhamma. Look, this is the same rule. Wow sakina before there is a dhamma, and any letter can be here with dhamma. We don't consider this letter, but we consider dhamma. We consider pesh. If you find pesh before waw sakina, you will make it 2 counts long. That's it. It's do. You will make it do. The way you make long you will make do long too. Ha is short. Do. Ah, then for ha you will give rakhawa. And what is rakhawa? Inshallah, we have discussed, but inshallah we'll discuss it later on. ah then, and whenever you find noon, I have discussed this and this. Okay, these are throat letters. These are your long vowels, 2 haraka long vowels. And the third thing which I'm going to discuss is noon sakin and meme mushaddad wa noon mushaddad. Whenever you find these letters, these 2 letters, noon and meme with tashdid, with this small w, what you will do, you will keep the sound in your nose for 2 haraka long time. So look, what you're doing. Then, yeah, this is the point where you will keep the sound in your nose. Then you will hold it. And for fatha is short. Na, there is nothing to make it short long. So this will be short. Na, ba, na. The way na is short, ba is short, na, ba, the is short too. And then who is long? Why? This is the same mechanism of these 3 long vowels. Wow, you consider it a proper big wow, and wow sakina. Before that, you find pesh, find dhamma. You will make it 2 haraka long simply. Okay, this is short, this is short, this is short, and this is 2 haraka long. Na, ba, the, who, 2 counts long. Fa has breath in it. You have to give this sound. Fa. This sound should be created to pronounce fa. And for fatha, it is short. There is nothing to make it long. How we can make long? We can make fatha long when we will find alif after it. Alif sakina after it. If there is no alif, we cannot make it long. We cannot say fari. We cannot make any letter long and short by our own will. We have to see what's going on. This is 1 haraka long. This is very short. Ri. Why are you making this ri long? Yeah, because ya sakina qablaha maksur. There is ya and you find kasra before it. You find zair before it. So you are making it 2 haraka long. Short. Ri is 2 counts long. Qum. Why are you making this sound long in your nose? Because there is noon with tashdid. Whenever you find meme or noon with tashdid, with this small w, you will keep the sound in your nose for 2 haraka long. Yes, this is a longer gunna too. Gunna. What gunna is? So gunna is to make and to keep the sound in your nose. Ri qum min, and give tawassut on noon. What is tawassut? I'm giving you all these uh, rules. Inshallah, you will remember. Lin Amar. What is Lin Amar? These are the 5 letters on which you will give tawassut. Tawassut, we give abbreviation of capital T, Lin Omar. Lin Omar mean, these are the 5 letters. What these letters are? Lam, Noon, Ain, Mim, Ra. These are the 5 letters on which you will give tawassut, and tawassut is whenever you find these letters with sukoon, like Ain with sukoon, Mim with sukoon, Ra with sukoon, Lam with sukoon, and Noon with sukoon. These are the 5 letters. Whenever you find with sukoon, you will give them tawassut. And what tawassut is? Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. And what medium flow of sound is? You keep the sound little longer. You don't stop the sound abruptly. It cannot be min, hum. No, you cannot say like this. You will say min, hum. So you are giving tawassut over here too. There are 2 tawassut here. Min on noon, and this is meme. Meme has got sukoon too, because you are stopping your ayah here. So you are giving sukoon here. So min, hum, very equal tawassut should be given to meme and noon. Min, hum, bal. Yeah, you find lam too. Look, this is part of linama too. So you are giving tawassut here. And what tawassut is? Medium flow of sound. And you will not stop the sound of lam abruptly, but you will give a little time. Bal. Can you feel that sound? Bal. Ek. Ek, tha. Tha is short, and for fatha, open your jaws. Ru, circle your lips well. For dhamma, hum. For ha, there is dhamma, so you will circle your lips. And for meme, you find sakoon, what you will do? You will give tawassut. You will give medium flow of sound here. And what is medium flow of sound? You will not stop meme abruptly, but you will keep the sound little longer. Hum, bal. Again, the tawassut. Aktharuhum. La. La, 2 counts long. You. You. And Hamza is very strong letter. When you will find any letter attached with it, it gets a strong stop. You. Me. And for every kasra, you are adding E sound. You, me, no. You can, this mad arid li sukoon, you can stretch it 4, 4, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 haraka long. You can either go 2 haraka long, you can either go 4 haraka long or 6 haraka long, but we do it always 4 haraka long. Madarat sakun. So you minun. Awa kullama ahadu عهدا نبذه فريق منهم بل أكثرهم لا يؤمنون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.